Good morning, class. Now, today we are going to start with a new chapter in English literature, that is, chapter 9, Beauty and the Beast, part 1. It is not a story, it is a play which have been taken from the fairy tale, French fairy tale. We have been given two parts of the play in a book, that is, Beauty and the Beast, part 1 and Beauty and the Beast, part 2. In the first part, there are three scenes. Now today, I'm going to explain you the first two scenes, scene 1 and scene 2. In this play, we have been given 7 characters. First one is a merchant and his 6 children, that were Jack, Joseph, George, April, June, and the youngest one, that is the smallest one of all these, is the Beauty. There it has been explained as the 7 characters from the story. Now let us begin with this play from the book. Now let us begin with the play. Chapter 9, Beauty and Beast, part 1. This is on page number 98. Now, as I have told you earlier that here there are 3 scenes. So let us move with first scene 1. The merchant's house. The merchant is with his grown-up children. The merchant is along with his grown-up children. Jack, Joseph, George, April, June, and the youngest one is the Beauty. These are all the children of merchant. Jack, Joseph, George, April, June, and the youngest Beauty are the 6 children of the merchant. Beauty. Giving her father a cup. Beauty was giving father a cup. Here, father, take this. It's a cup of hot tea. The cup which the Beauty was given to the merchant was the cup of hot tea. Merchant. Thank you, Beauty. You are always so good to me. Father is saying that merchant was the father of Beauty. Merchant says that Beauty, you are always too good to me, April. She is only good because she probably wants something from you, father. April said she is only good because she wants something from you, as always. June. Yes, she probably wants that dress I saw in the warehouse the other day. June said she wants dress from you which we have seen in the warehouse that day. Father, I spoke to you about it and I want it. So don't fall for Beauty's tricks. June said, I want that. So don't give that to Beauty. April, I want one like that too, father. April said, I too want the same like that only. Now let us move to page number 99. June, but the colors won't suit you so well. April, pink makes me look even more beautiful. Well, most colors suit me, I must say. June said, but the colors won't suit you so well. Pink makes me look so even more beautiful. Well, most colors suit me, I must say that. Jack, you girls. Jack said, you all girls. Joseph, yes. Always dissatisfied means not happy with anything. And talking about things you want. April, well, why not? Father is rich. He can afford to buy us anything he likes. April said, our father is too rich. He can afford us anything which we want. Merchant, yes, I can, girls. But life is not all about buying and owning things. There is much more to it than that. You will be happy if you are good in life, like Beauty here. Merchant said, yes, I can owe you. That means yes, he can give you. But life is not only buying and owning things. Means he can not own each and everything. Because life is good. But you have to be always happy in your life. Beauty. I made you a cup of tea because you looked weary, because you looked so tired. Father, I have enough clothes to wear. Thank you. Beauty said, I don't want anything because I have enough clothes to wear. June, oh, listen to her. April, Daddy's little pet. June, she's after something. Jack, leave her alone, you two. Beauty has more sense than both of you put together. Jack said, Beauty has more sense than both of you. There's some commotion outside. Joseph goes towards the door. There has been a confusion outside. Where they were sitting, Joseph moved out from the door. Now let us turn the page. Joseph, listen to that row. I wonder what is going on. George, entering in a great hurry. Father, come quick, come quick. Merchant, whatever has happened? George, why in such a hurry? Merchant said, why are you in a hurry? Merchant said to Joseph, George, come quick, all of you. The warehouse is going up in flames. All your goods were burnt into cinders, Father. George is saying, all of you come here quickly because the warehouse has been getting up into flames because the warehouse had got fire in it and all our goods were burnt into ashes. Beauty, oh no, poor father. April, oh no, there goes my dress. Beauty says, oh no, poor father. April says, there's gone my dress. June, oh no, mine too. April and June were just thinking about their dresses only. Jack, come on, don't just sit there. Let's help put out the fire. Run. Jack said, don't just sit here. Let us go and put off the fire. They all follow George out of the door. The boys first, then Beauty, and lastly June and April. First of all, George went out of the door, then other boys, then Beauty, and lastly April and June, because they were thinking of their dresses. As we have completed here with the first scene. Now let us move to scene 2. Scene 2. A few days later, in the same room, the children are doing various things. Though they are not being industrious, the merchant is looking grave, Beauty is cooking. After a few days later, the children were doing various things. They have not been industrious. That means they are not so much hardworking. The merchant was looking grave. Beauty is just cooking in this scene. Now, let us go through the play. Merchant, sit down for a minute, all of you. I had some sad news to give to you. Merchant said, all of you come and sit with me. I have some sad news for you all. April, we are all sitting already, Father. April said, we are already sitting. June, yes, all of us apart from Beauty because Beauty was cooking. April, well, she has to be different, doesn't she? April said, well, always she is different from us. Jack, to June and April. Jack said to June and April, she, stop it. Listen to what Father has to say. Joseph, yes, come along, Beauty. Let's hear what Father has to say. Beauty stops cooking and joins the others. As Joseph said to keep April and June to keep their mouth shut and ask Beauty to come and join others. George, it is about the warehouse, Father. It is all about the warehouse. Merchant, warehouse is a place where we keep our goods. That means there's a storage type of a place. Merchant, yes, it is, George. And there is more bad news too. Beauty, oh, I am so unhappy about that, Father. You have lost the warehouse. What could be worse than that? Beauty said, it is also the bad news that our warehouse has been burnt and nothing is bad than that. That nothing is worse than this news. Merchant. There's much more worse news. There's much more worse news than this also. Beauty. I heard this morning that the ship bringing all the new goods was lost at sea. The ship which was bringing new goods to their warehouse has been lost at sea. Beauty. No, how terrible, how extremely bad news. April. Oh dear, no new dresses. June. No new jewelry. Jack. It sounds like we are in for a troubled time ahead. Father. Merchant. Yes, Jack, troubled indeed. Jack said, we are in a distress time. That a time which we have been going through has become more worse. Yes, Jack, troubled indeed. Since we have no goods in the warehouse and no goods on the way, so we are ruined, that we are stay in of a decay, that we have nothing now. Joseph. What will you do, father? Joseph asked to his father that what will he do? Merchant. I shall go to find some work, Joseph. There's none here. We will all have to do our share. Merchant said we have to go and find some new work. George. I shall come with you, father, and I am ready to find work. George said I shall go with you to find some work. Merchant. That's good to hear, George. The others will have to do the same. Merchant said, all of us have to do the same. Jack. I shall leave today, father. I shall come back with all riches for all of us. Joseph. And I will go with Jack. April. Pointing to June. We can look after the house, father, while you are away. April said, we will look after the house. June. Yes, and Beauty can stay and look after us. And Beauty can also stay and look after April and June. And when you return, father, you will bring us some new clothes. June is demanding some new clothes. April. And some new jewelry. June is demanding for new clothes and April is demanding for new jewelry. Merchant. Yes, if I return and I have some money. And what about you, Beauty? What would you like to bring me to you? Father asks to Beauty, what does she want? Beauty. I want nothing, father, but you say written, and if you wish to bring me something, bring a rose for me. Beauty said, father, if you want to bring me something, bring me a single rose. Merchant. That I shall, my Beauty. Merchant said, yes, I will bring that. Now, here we will stop today. We are stopping on page number 101. Now, what you all have to do is go through this chapter. Read this chapter carefully in your homework. Thank you.